got like bug stuff from when I drove it up. But we'll get it clean once I get it back home in a couple of weeks. I've been practicing my car vlogging face since I was doing the motovlog thing. So the car vlogging face, you gotta point the camera like this, and you gotta have like a stupid laugh. And then you gotta run it. And then let the pop. Pop, 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 pop. You know what I mean? I think I'm perfecting it. Fuck up my groove, bro. Come on. Here we go, one more time. Yeah, like that, I got it. I watched a lot of car content. A lot of the guys, they do. Wait, the pop. One more time. Gotta let me know if I'm getting the face right. So like that, I know according to my face expressions what kind of sports car I'm gonna buy. Let me know in the comments. I got it. One more time. Let's go. County jail used to be right there. They knocked it down. Spent a couple summers in there. It was a bad boy.